southeastern Carroll County in north-central Maryland, Baltimore City in northern Maryland, northern Howard County in central Maryland, eastern Frederick County in north-central Maryland, southwestern Baltimore County in northern Maryland, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sudlersville, or 11 miles northeast of Damascus, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, Emergency Management reported trees down in Frederick County in Lewistown at 8:26 p.m. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Baltimore, Columbia, Pikesville, Elk Ridge, Ellicott City, Towson, Catonsville, Woodlawn, Randallstown, Parkville, Owings Mills, Eldersburg, Milford Mill, Reisterstown, Lockern, Arbutus, Brooklyn Park, Mount Airy, Sudlersville, and Oakland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland, Baltimore and Howard, and the Maryland Independent City of Baltimore. At 8 p.m. at Eastern